microneedle at home with me. This is going to be a full microneedling routine, which includes your prep, procedure, and aftercare. The aim is to showcase the whole procedure from start to finish. Now, how you set up your station when you are microneedling is imperative because you need to be as hygienic as possible. So I'm going to quickly show you my station and what I have included to prepare for my microneedling. This is how your station should look like. Very clean, very easy to access, and minimal distractions. Start off, we have isopropyl alcohol to disinfect everything, EMLA 5% lidocaine numbing cream, Peachaboo hyaluronic acid serum. I'm trialing out the new Medisco MesO PDRN Advanced Korean Ampoule, clean gloves, alcoholic pads, my Dr. Pen M9 microneedling system, a fresh 18-pin cartridge needle, and then to finish off the Dr. Pen Peachaboo HydraRepair post-treatment mask. So I'm going to go in now with my numbing cream all the way here. So the numbing cream is applied. We're going to leave this on for 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to sanitize and disinfect everything. Alcohol pads. Guys, the M9 is designed as a one-click needle depth adjustment. It's easy to switch between treatment areas with more control. Different cartridge options allow you to choose the best option for your treatment. It's designed for you to have more of a smooth, controlled microneedling experience. A secure cartridge design that once you insert it, it literally tells you that it's genuine and it's ready to go. So I've just washed off all the numbing cream properly in the bathroom. Now we can begin. And guys, when I tell you, I'm very numb. Even my lips are numb. So that's good. It's work. Only taking around 30 minutes.
First things first, hygiene is everything. Gloves on. Then I'm thoroughly disinfecting my face and neck using 70% isopropyl alcohol to ensure I'm working on a clean surface. Always use a fresh cartridge for every single treatment. I'm using an 18-pinch cartridge needle today. For today's glide, I'm using the Medisco MesO PDRN Ampoule. This contains PDRN, also known as salmon DNA, alongside hyaluronic acid to help support skin regeneration, hydration, and overall skin quality. Now we're ready to begin. I'm starting on my forehead at 0.2 millimeter depth. The forehead has thinner skin, so we always keep the depth superficial here. I'm working in small sections using horizontal, vertical, and diagonal passes to make sure that every area is evenly treated. If you are a beginner, I would highly suggest using the stamping method to give yourself more control and to gauge the pen. Moving down to the cheeks and mid-face, I've increased the depth to 0.6 millimeter depth.
You want to go diagonally. 1 to 2 passes each way. That's it. Then you move to the next section. That was 2 passes. Upwards. 2 passes. Diagonally. And that's it. That whole cheek area was done in like literally under a minute. The serum is actually really, really nice. So it's smooth for me to glide. Now, with this dark spot, I'm going to go into a higher millimeter depth, of course. So as you can see, nearly the entire face is done, apart from my nose and eye area. So for the eyes, we're going to stick to 0.2, but we're going to do stamping method. We're going to just put a tiny bit of the ampoule here, rub it close. As you can see, you're able to stretch a little bit if you want. And that's it. That was 2 drags. Now, for the top of the lid, you want to make sure you have a bit of glide.
You can see me lifting the eyebrow slightly to keep the skin taut while carefully stamping around the orbital bone area. You always want to make sure you're working from inner corner outwards and completely avoiding the eyelid itself. This is the one area where you never want to go too deep. Next, I'm treating a stubborn pigmentation. I've increased the depth to 1 millimeter using the stamping method until I achieve light pinpoint bleeding. This stimulates the natural healing process and improves the pigmentation appearance over time. Now moving back down to 0.2 millimeter for the nose. Depending on the area, you can glide in some places, but I generally recommend stamping around the bridge and tighter areas to minimize scratching and unnecessary trauma. Now with some more glide for the upper lip and lip area, I use a combination of stamping and gentle gliding, depending on what feels safe and gives the best contact with the skin. For the jawline and the lower face, I'm back at 0.6 millimeter depth, working with horizontal and vertical passes, ensuring even coverage across the entire area. Now I'm sure you heard me say this many times. The neck is my main focus area, especially through the center where I want to improve firmness. Here I have gone up to a 0.8 millimeter depth using horizontal and vertical passes, spending a little extra time where I personally want the most tightening effect till the treatment is complete. And guys, for the entire process, I only used 1 vial. Now to finish off, hydration. Applying the Dr. HydraRepair Mask. This is specifically designed for use after treatments like microneedling. As you you can see, this biocellulose mask has a material that sits like a second skin. 7 types of hyaluronic acid, panthenol, allantoin, calendula, and cucumber extract. And honestly, guys, when I first put this on, my skin loved the cooling effect.
Has fully been on for around 35 to 40 minutes-ish. So I'm going to peel it off and let's look at the skin. Wow. Even my neck, I haven't applied anything to my neck apart from hyaluronic acid. Look at the difference between what a professional grade mask has done. My neck is still red. However, my face, the residual inflammation, the redness has fully subsided. This is the difference between now using a normal collagen mask compared to a professional grade one. 7 types of hyaluronic acid plus your vitamin B5, 10 out of 10. Now, to take it up a notch, you could leave it here and just apply a hyaluronic acid serum and call it a day. However, we'll be going in with the Peachaboo LED NIR red light therapy. Now, this has 3 different lights, has your red light plus NIR, blue light and yellow light, infuses the serum into the skin further. Let me just apply it and explain to you.
You can switch between blue light for blemish prone skin and yellow light to help brighten and even out your complexion. My favorite is the red light to support collagen production, whilst the NIR penetrates deeper into the skin.
But yeah, that is pretty much the entire microneedling treatment from start to finish. From now to the next 24 hours, all I'm going to be applying is the Peachaboo hyaluronic acid serum consistently. The more you apply, the better the results are going to be. The calmer your skin is going to look, the more hydrated and plump your complexion is going to be. That's about it. That's the whole treatment done, you guys. I will try to do as much updates as I can with the following days, especially with skincare, what to use, what not to use. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any more questions, I'm happy to answer them into the comments, and I will definitely catch you onto the next one.